Sir.
Yeah, hi.
Sir, Taranika.
Taranika.
Yeah, can I share my screen, sir?
Yes, please go on.
Yeah, sir, after activating the material ledger,
Mm.
when I try to go with MIGO, it is showing the error like this.
It's an ECC or S4HANA?
Sir, ECC.
ECC, why you are activating Metro Ledger in ECC? May I know the reason?
Sir, I do not know. It's in the class, so.
Class, I did not tell you to activate Metro Ledger, right? Which
Sir,
batch you
actually,
are in?
I'm in the fast track batch, sir.
In fast track also? Okay. In fast track, I said not to see this broadcasting COPA.
Oh, okay, sir.
Komalika,
Yes, sir. Actually,
did
I
we?
was waiting.
No. Please remove
Yes,
that
sir.
broadcasting COPA from the fast track batches.
I think it's by mistake. She has got the old drive. We'll check that.
Yeah, please check it. Okay.
Yes.
Otherwise, they'll get confused, right? Okay. So this is the problem actually. So 3000 PRD. There is a there is a PRD issue. Give me 1 second. I'll try to resolve this. Give me the control.
Okay, sir.
BR01 is your company code, right? What was the valuation class that you are getting error?
Sir, for raw materials, 3000, sir.
This is not because of Metro Ledger, because
Okay,
of
sir.
this valuation class only. Do it now. Do it now. Mygo.
Sir, but it is getting posted to price difference account, sir.
We'll see why it is going to price difference account.
Okay, sir.
Post it. That's a check and post. Item okay. Check. Post.
Sir, again the same error it's been.
Yeah, that's what I'm checking.
Okay, sir.
Stop and share all the screens.
Now, sir.
Yeah, now it's good.
Okay, sir.
Give me the access. My bad. What is the mistake I have done?
Triple zero, the valuation modify.
Then what all are you doing? You should ask me, right? So this is wrong, right? I have done.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. 000 is the 0000 I have taken, which is wrong.
Yeah.
Shall I post?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Again.
Yeah,
Now
again.
PRY you are getting.
Yeah, sir.
This
Yesterday
PRY is because of maybe metal ledger activation.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
PRY. OBYC. PRY. This is because of metal ledger
Material
activation.
ledger.
If you
Yes.
don't activate metal ledger, you will not get this problem.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Now do the same thing, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. It is in
Okay.
display, maybe it is in lock actually.
Okay, sir.
Remove the lock and try to do it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. If it is
Sir.
asking for the cost element, create it as a cost element.
Okay, sir.